Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to show you my house seasoning that I make. So if you're like me and you've been in the store and you picked up the label on some of the seasonings that they've got there and you don't even know how to pronounce half the words that's in them or even know what they are. So my recipe here, you probably already have the items already in your pantry. So I'm going to go over those ingredients now. So I've got a half a cup of salt. I've got 1/8 of a cup of garlic powder. I've got 1/8 of a cup of pepper and 1/8 of a cup of onion powder. Those are the 4 ingredients that I've got in my house seasoning. So what we're going to do, I've got a mason jar here, is we're going to add our salt. We'll add the garlic powder, the black pepper, and the onion powder. Put the lid on it and give it a little bit of a shake. Get it all combined, and there you go. My version of a house seasoning. So give this recipe a try. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below how it turned out for you. If you had any different variations to it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider that. Hit the notifications bell below. That way you'll be notified of any videos that come up in the future. And hit that like button. Let me know what you think about my house seasoning recipe. Thanks for staying with me this afternoon and enjoy.